Wendy. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you. You should be able to see my screen. The way I make the video, if I'm trying to like record my screen or something in Canvas, is I like to open Canvas twice. So I have like the link to Canvas, but wherever you can get to Canvas, I just pull it up twice. So I will just, let's see here, I want to open. Get out of these. Okay, so I'm just going to click here. I'm going to paste so I can go into Canvas, and then I'm going to click this plus sign, and I'm going to click again to go into Canvas. And so then let's say I want to do some sort of video in Spanish 211. I just click on 211, and then the other one I'm going to open up the studio. And I don't know how well this is going to work because I'm already, well, I think maybe I can, we'll see how well it's going to work because I'm already doing a recording. But you click on this record button right here, and you do a screen capture. And then you can go wherever you want. So like I'm in another Canvas site, but you could be in a Word doc or wherever, and you'll be able to record. And if this doesn't do it, I will use my phone, I guess, to show you. Sometimes it takes a few minutes, and I was having issues with it today. So, and the nice thing about Canvas is when you start recording with Canvas and things like this are going on, things are taking a while to load, you can pause it. So there, it's coming now. So it says recorder will record anything that happens in this frame. So if you click on like both, you'll have your webcam. So when you're recording, you'll have yourself in the video and you'll see your desktop. If you just want to see yourself, you just do the webcam. And then the reason why I'm not showing up, I think, is because I'm using Teams to make this video, so my webcam's already being used, but that would just be you. So if you click on webcam, it's going to be you. Or if you just want to show your screen and not show yourself, then you do that. And then you just hit record and you record whatever you want, blah, blah, blah. This is a test. And then you hit that pause button when you're done. Then click on done. And then you just title it. I'm going to just call this test for Wendy. And then you would click on upload, and you're going to wait for it to be done. If you try to record something before you get this screen, you won't be able to. You just hit continue, and it's going to be in your studio. So like I had Canvas up twice. I got to go to where I'm in my studio and see how it says test for Wendy. And so then if you want to add it anywhere, you can click this right here. I think it's easier to click view, because when you click view, you can click these three dots and it gives you two things you could do with it. Whereas on the other one, I think you can only get a link. So when you click these dots, you could either download it, like if you wanted to put it into YouTube, or you're probably just going to click share. And when you click share, you click on links and create public link. Here is a link that you could put into your Canvas site or send to your students, and this is an embed code. So like if you click the link, I'll show you. So like, let's say, let me go into one I'm not using anymore. So like, I'll just go into one of these summer ones. Let's see, I've got 112s. No, two. Okay, so I'm gonna go into this one. I don't think I need this one. And I would just go like in my modules. I mean, wherever you want to put it, doesn't have to be. So I'll just create something where I can put it. Let's see here. So I'll just do it in, I'll just do it here. Oh, you know what? Never mind. I'll do it in that start here block. So I'm just going to make something really quickly. I'm going to make like, I'll make an assignment. And I'm just going to call this again, test for Wendy. And so there's that assignment. So when I'm wanting to edit that assignment, I could just put the link here. And then it's a link. Or I could, call it something like test for Wendy. And then put the link, and it would be an external link because, or actually I wonder if you could do a course. I don't know if it would let you do course links to your studio, but it might. Probably not, because I think the studio is external. It would have to already be somewhere else. But you could also just embed it, which is what I like to do. And sometimes there's like a little movie screen over here that you can click, or I think you can always click insert where it says embed. And then you can get that embed code instead of the one that I copied, that share, and get that link. There's an embed code. You could copy that and you can stick that here. And when you do that, then your video is embedded. So it's whatever you want. So like if I save this, I could either have a link to my video or it's actually embedded and then you could play it. So those are the two different, that's how you would make a video and get the link.